dudes, my name is Heric, and welcome to another episode of Herics Kitchen, the best cooking show on planet Earth. If you're new to my channel, please go down right now. Consider hitting that subscribe button for great, awesome content, bitch. Okay? And if you like cooking shows, why don't you hit that like button? Because why not? Today we're cooking T-bone steaks. I made a marinade, and this is how you make the marinade.
These are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need chopped onions, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, minced garlic, and brown sugar. This is the ingredients that you need to make a bomb-ass steak, okay, ladies and gentlemen? You're going to want to get yourself a big-ass bowl, kind of like this one. Get the soy sauce and the Worcestershire sauce in a measuring cup. You want to put a cup of soy sauce into the big bowl. I mean, if you didn't get that, you're a fucking idiot. And if you're like me, fuck it. I'm gonna use the rest, you know. I might as well finish off the bottle. Yep. And then you want to get your Worcestershire sauce, and you want to do the same thing. You want to put in a cup of Worcestershire sauce into the big bowl. And then you want to get a lemon juice. You want to do a little over half a cup. About 3 big spoonfuls of garlic, minced garlic. And then I just kind of guessed on the minced onions, chopped onions, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. And here's some salt. Here's some pepper. Here's some garlic powder. And a little more. Yeah, a little more. And then you want to mix that all up. But guess what? I forgot a step.
Of course you forgot a step.
Yeah, shut up, Nick. Nobody asked you.
Not the brightest, are you?
I forgot to add the brown sugar. But that's okay. Because, you know, nothing like putting the steaks into the bowl just to get it right back out. You know what I'm saying? You know, I don't really know how much brown sugar I put in there. It was pretty close to half a bag, if that helps any. So I put the brown sugar in, whisked it up, and then once it was nice, smooth, no big old clumps of brown sugar, I put the steaks back into the mixture.
You're not gonna like this.
Gotta taste it to make sure it tastes good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, baby. Ooh. Put the steaks back into the mixture. Put the lid on it. Shake it up real good. And then put it in the fridge for about 5 or 6 hours, shaking every hour. That's how you make a good fucking steak marinade, bitches. Check down in the description. I put the recipe for the marinade. You're welcome.
After your marinade set in the fridge for about 5 hours at least, okay? It should look pretty dang good. Look at that. Now we're going to grill them. You can pick whatever side you want to go with your T-bone steaks. I prefer to have brown sugar hickory baked beans. Boom, son. Now let's get to grilling. Boom. Gotta let the grill warm up. See you guys in a minute. Now from our, last episode, where I pretty much just followed instructions and I still messed them up, check this out. It says we're gonna do 6 servings. Needs 2 cups of water, 3 teaspoons of this, which is half a stick. So 3 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. Got it? 6 servings. Needs 2 cups of water. 1, servings needs 2 cups of water. Got it? 1, 2, 3. 2 cups of water. If you didn't realize that, there you go. But anyways, instead of following instructions on some recipe on a box, I decided to make my own recipe today. Because what's the point of teaching somebody how to read a box? Especially if I can't read it myself, right? Right. Alright, now that the grill's hot, we got it up close here. Look how pretty these steaks are. Look at that. With the pinky even. Boom, son. Just slap it on the grill. Just slap it on the grill. You know what I'm saying? Slap it on the grill. Damn sexy. Let it sit on there, and we'll flip it in about probably 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. Ooh, boy. Go ahead and flip them at 3 to 4 minutes. You think these steaks would be great and fantastic? Hit that like button. Show me some love. Hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see more of this greatness. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, brother. Should be getting close. Shit. Oh, I'm good. Use just a little bit more. I'm just doing a taste test. Here, I'll get down. Pretty fucking tasty, yo. It's getting dark and it's getting cold. But we got steaks to make, bitch. Let's give him another flip. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. That was a terrible flip, boy. Here's another. That piece fell off the thing. Eat me, Heric. Eat me. And I'm going, okay, I'll eat you. Nom, nom. A1, brother. Well, I just fell through the fucking porch. Oh, shit. That's scary. Everything's fine. We're all fine. My leg's fine. Everything's fine. My leg was like in the porch. Like I was up to here. Like I was up to here in the porch. Pretty crazy. And nobody's home. So I'm glad I'm alright, because that would have sucked. Steaks are done. Now while I wait for my people to come home, we're gonna cook up some baked beans, boy. Baked beans, boy. Gonna let that cook and just wait for people so they can taste it, you know? So it's not just me tasting it this time. And I can tell them how I fell through the porch. Yay me. Hit that like button for my leg, guys, because like I lucked out good. I could have like broken my leg. Baked beans? Are they hot or not? Are they hot? They hot or... Okay, so here's our reaction to the food, okay?
Hate winter. I hate winter.
Gotta taste it.
Is this one mine?
Yep. I already took some for this one, so I'm letting you taste it. Tell me how I did.
Alright. That sucks. Oh, don't cry. Fuck.
This is like low blow, man. Take another man's meat. So?
It'll do.
Thanks.
It'll make a turd. What counts?
Is it good though?
Yes, it's good.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Not too lemony?
Mm.
Alright. If you guys enjoyed that, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. You're a pussy anyways. And if you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Heric out, bitches.